Hi.
I'm about to get famous too.
Yes, you are.
She doing the YouTube stream. She got.
Subscribe to my channel. Look up Keianna Summers.
you think I'm crazy or something? There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is Vlogmas day something. I think it's like day 7. I didn't even record for all the other days. But I mean, here we are, and we're in McDonald's drive-thru. Right now, and we are going to be like ordering 40-piece nuggets. And guys, look, this is all I have, honestly. Look, let me try to open this with one hand. All I have are coins. So, oh no, that's my ID. Don't be looking at that. All I have are coins.
Can I get a 40-piece chicken nugget? 40.
Well, two.
Okay.
But that's gonna be expensive. Okay, we're not trying to. Can I roll down this window?
Yeah. What kind of sauce do you want?
Hold on, can I tell them?
Hold on.
Does this roll down? I'm gonna tell them.
Okay.
Yeah. How much sauce comes with like each?
Because the sauce come with yeast.
No, how much?
Oh,
How many?
How much they? 6
Yeah.
3 come with the 23 a piece come with, so you get 6 and all.
Okay. I'll get 2 ranch, 2 barbecue sauce, and 2 sweet and sour. Can we like add on like 2 other sauces extra?
Yes.
Okay guys, so we might just cancel this order because I'm broke.
Should we just get 20 piece?
Yeah, right?
Can we just go inside?
Ew, I hate going inside. Let's just get a 20 piece, right?
Yeah.
Actually, can you cancel one of those 20 pieces? We're not that hungry.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Can I get 1 McChicken? Do you guys want another McChicken? And we can like split it in half. And 1 more McChicken. And that's all.
That should be your total.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's see if they won't see my camera. I know they're gonna see it, but I'm just be like, can I record you for YouTube? Do you think they'll let me record? Okay, can I record you for YouTube? I'm doing a YouTube channel too. So yeah, I have my camera right here. So let me just wait. I can't even reach it. I gotta get out the. I'm sorry. I'm just so broke. Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
Start with the quarters first.
Wait a minute. How much is this?
It's almost $10.
Almost. What the hell?
$9 and change to be exact.
This don't make no sense. Hey, don't come
I
over
know.
with all that.
We're like,
Go over here.
so hi, I'm doing a YouTube channel, a YouTube video. Sorry, I'll blur you out. Don't worry.
No, you can put me in there.
Okay, good.
See, you make
Shout out.
Y'all make me lose count.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me stop talking.
That's 2. That's 3. Oh Jesus, girl! I'm gonna just put $8.50 in this thing. Yeah. 75. I ain't got time. Girl, you need help. Why would you come to my
Can you give me a job here, actually?
Why you just ain't count this before you came?
Oh, I did. I threw it back in there.
You should just.
She took a picture of it and everything.
Oh my god. I don't even care.
Are there like cars behind us waiting?
God.
You might need that one that dropped. Subscribe, like, comment. Oh man, no, not the dad, please. Not my dad.
I'm gonna tell him. Alright, this should be $8. Why would you do this?
Hi.
I'm about to get famous too.
Yes, you are.
She doing the YouTube stream. I mean, she got. all
Subscribe to my channel. Look up Keianna Summers.
You think I'm crazy or something?
I told you we went inside.
I look a mess.
With all this shit. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm sorry. You're not on camera. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Okay.
Wait, I need to check. Hold on. Stop right here. Hold on. Step out this window. Okay, so we have our food. Now we need to check for let's see. What did we order? Okay, so we got our McChickens. I can't even. Oh, hold on. Wait. We got spicy buffalo. Barbecue sweet and sour. Oh, okay, that's perfect, right? They said, okay, yeah. Okay, we got everything, guys. So,
Did you count them?
oh, I'm missing a nail. Oh, I need to count my nuggets. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Look at this light and all. Look at my tattoo. Oh, you can't even see it. Okay, so I need to count these nuggets because they like to scan. Oh, yeah, that's gonna look fresh. Okay, so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Okay, we got all our nuggets. I'm so sorry I touched it. I did not wash my hands after I used the bathroom. I'm just kidding. Yes, I did. Okay, so give this video a thumbs... Hold on. I'm missing a nail. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not putting my face on this right now because I look a total mess. So thank you, McDonald's. Please sponsor me. If you want to send me free like nuggets, that's great. Thank you. All right. Okay. Let me stop this video. Hey, look. Hey. This too. How do I work this? Okay. What's the break? So I know which one I'm hitting.
The big one's the break.
Oh, I was hitting this. We're about to zoom. Okay. Wait.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Go slow.
Okay.
Okay, no, not
Wait,
that slow.
wait, hold on. My knee's in the way. Okay. Good. For real though, right? Am I even in the right lane?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, not the right. Wow, that made no sense. Okay, I'm gonna turn right here, right? Oh my gosh, I almost clicked the wrong one. Wait, do I turn?
Push the brake and turn. Okay, that worked.
Yes, no. Hey. Woo! Yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh no, there's a car. You better slow down. You went too fast for me. Okay, hold on. Round two. Y'all ready for this? Hold on. Hey, though. No brakes. Yes, ain't trying to hit nobody mailbox though. Oh yes. Oh.
So speed it up.
Fast and Furious. Yee. Oh wow, my voice is so. Okay, watch. I'm at a
Oh, we
park.
gotta leave in like 10 minutes.
Oh, bro?
Yeah.
Wait, how do I park?
Press the brakes.
Okay.
Alright, no.
You want me to park?
Oh, yes. Yes, though.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Ain't trying to hit.
Don't try to hit nothing.
Yes. Oh!